Hello, crafters. Welcome to Craft It's. Today, I just wanted to take a minute to thank every one of you. I just hit 400 subscribers, and I wanted to make a special 400 subscriber play button using my wood burner. I really appreciate all of your guys' support, and when I started this channel over 2 years ago, I never thought I would make it this far, and I know I never would have without all of your help. It has been a crazy 2 years, and I've learned a lot. I know I'm still getting better at my artwork, and I'm definitely still a beginner. For this play button, I decided to go with something a little bit simpler with just the number 400 and a play button hidden inside of it. I'm going to keep this as a reminder of why I'm doing this. I'm not really sure what the future holds for my channel, but I do know I love doing this, and I do hope to continue doing it. Hope that y'all are enjoying my content, and my goal with this channel has always been to try and inspire and also help people relax and just have some fun. Thank you all again, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.